How's it going, folks? It is great to have you back at the channel. Your cozy haven for all things crypto. Your supervisor is Ripple Van Winkle. I pray that today is going well for everyone. The day has come to stay flow, as it is Wednesday. I agree with that. Tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, the live stream will conclude. Time zones, Eastern Standard Time, and whichever YouTube platform you like, Twitter and Twitch, used by Tiny Us. Take it. There's a lot happening in this show, but I make sure you're taken care of. Come and see the marketplaces. Anxiety and fear are setting in. Embrace the moment. Now is the moment to enjoy oneself. This draw was a stroke of luck for us. You ought to have relinquished it because green is set to make a triumphant return and these expenses are bound to be discussed. Here we will discuss the recently launched XRP ETF. That was lightning quick, and there was a ton of supplementary material to go over. In an effort to break out of this slump and into the bull trend without simultaneously lounging back and relaxing, we will examine the XRP chart today to see what we are seeing. Now let's examine Bitcoin. In the last day and a half, the worth of 94776 Bitcoins has halved. A Bitcoin is now worth 3,319 Bitcoins, a decrease of approximately 3.3% when compared to the US dollar. A Bitcoin's value in SDC has likewise decreased by 3.3% when contrasted with the US dollar. They were pounced on when they used USDT. Having said that, it's all right. At only $2.32, that's not long at all. It has increased by more than 3% in the past hour, and it is highly profitable for us to pay it out every 24 hours. And there was a recent increase of $2.33 again. The market value of all cryptocurrencies is $3.13 billion. And it has increased by more than 4% today. To those who fail to perceive the magnitude of the impact at work here, this is all mere display. The altcoin markets are experiencing this at the moment. You need to take a step back and examine things from an unbiased, less institutionalized perspective. As far as they are concerned, the entire planet is currently cleansed. Tell me what they do. Lungs are cleansed by them. What occurred after they shut down? Prices would swiftly rise again after a dip. Why? Because of this, it doesn't provide an opportunity to achieve your desired level of long-term costs. So simple. We anticipate a price increase. Nothing has changed. I warned you that 90,000 would never be a low point for Bitcoin's price. I assigned a range of 230 to 235 XRP to it. Indeed, that is precisely the case, yes. Your response will be something along the lines of, but Rip, XRP fell to $227. No one can possibly be flawless 100% of the time. No way, no way. What we do is as good as it gets. I do my best to be the ideal partner for you, but you are aware of this already. Looking at the chart will help me assist you. At times, you're merely slightly off. The XRP chart looks like this. You can see that yesterday was the beginning of the strong decline if you look closely. Things were very obvious. In return for the data we transmit, we receive signals in the form of indicators. It belongs to the patron category. Distance is miles. Everything is in disrepair. Earlier we mentioned that this is where the line got right during the breakdown. It was immediately apparent. 230, very well, there it is. At the moment, we are considering 227. Keeping it above $227 is our goal. Subtly, it shifted. Everything is perfect. However, our objective is as follows. Someone had already asked me this on Twitter before the event. This center line represents the mean. At the bottom, you can see the beginning of an uptrend. At the top, you'll see that we're about to enter full bull mode. Our current situation is one of decline. What can we do to reverse the declining trend? Finding the warning is as simple as climbing above this center. Man, it's all right. Meanwhile, have a look at this research. Hi, I'm Kay. With a little magnification, you can see out that we initiated yet another surge to the peak only 7 days ago. It's all right. This is also a good place to use the zoom feature. Permit me to draw nearer. This should be significant to you. On November 1st, 50 cents will be the starting price. $2.32 so far, 50 cents more to go. They nearly happened 5 times in a span of months from now. It is really incredible. On top of that, people are becoming concerned. This peculiar cryptographic assignment follows. Has President Trump been informed of that meeting? When they meet with the president, what do you think they will discuss? Is Stewart's claim that they merely wanted a steak meal evident to you? It became what I believe to be beef Wellington. Based on what you've seen, do you honestly believe that their motivation for meeting up with him was to have dinner? Among other things, they discussed the present climate in the United States and the cryptocurrency industry. You should already be aware of PNC Bank and Bank of America are two of the best banks in the world after hearing about Ripple's partners. The CC tossed aside the agreement they had with MoneyGram, perhaps even opening an account with Uber, Amazon, PayPal, or Western Union. It will continue indefinitely. An expert team from Ripple is working on adding features to the XRP platform. It is a decentralized creation since anyone can build on top of it. Should one inquire with the CC, they checked it using their own tool. Nobody gave their stamp of approval, and so he or she cannot even read the comments. I speak about creating a philanthropic elder steward. I don't own the terms that are already used, but the Ripple software package uses the XRP ledger to facilitate cross-border money transfers. Another cryptocurrency that uses the XRP ledger is Ripple, the stablecoin. We can skip over him now. We examine the current situation in Palo regarding the US dollar's XRP backing. We also look at Ripple's affiliations and partnerships to determine if they are associated with any industry groups or organizations like the Federal Reserve Task Force, the Bank of England, or those closely affiliated with the International Monetary Fund. This is something that the European Central Bank and BIAS are considering. The value of 5X was 50 cents not long ago. Supposedly the rate is dropping and it's now worth 230. The price drops. No, it is incorrect. Following that, we obtained this. According to Monica Long, the XRP ETF is soon to be released. Stay focused. This is currently available on MoonPay Coin Bits, which indicates it's close to bullish Mercado Bitcoin and other coins. Consider a large website such as Coinbase or another such one. How long until it arrives? More and more platforms and users are getting Ripplebox right now. The good news is that I believe improved bulletins and more access are on the way. In what time frame? We will be sure to monitor that. How near are you to finalizing the adoption? What do you anticipate the true magnitude of this issue to be in the coming year? You should be able to gain a ballpark estimate of its potential size based on the adoption rates you discuss with clients.